To encourage voting in the upcoming nuclear power referendum, New Taipei Mayor Eric Chu has called for allowing absentee ballots. Ruling and opposition party members immediately supported the idea, but it still may not become a reality. While even the premier supports it, Interior Minister Lee Hong-yuan says there simply isn't enough time to prepare before the vote expected to take place this summer.
Mayor Eric Chu first called for absentee voting on Facebook. He asked for bipartisan support and immediately received a positive response from the premier.
When I was Interior Minister, I strongly supported absentee voting. Therefore, I fully support Mayor Chu's proposal.
Even Ma Ying-jeou's advisors say the president is in favor of the idea. It's that rare occasion where everyone from the ruling and opposition parties seems on board. But for the proposal to become reality, it must clear the legislature.
We are working on legislation but hadn't planned on implementing it until before the next presidential election. There isn't time to amend the law before August. Let's say the law passed today or next month. There would still be election details to work out. That would need at least half a year. It's a long, tedious process.
Despite the Interior Minister's misgivings, Legislative Speaker Wang Jingping says he's open to discussing the issue.